Campaign. Yes, campaign is created. Next, I want to create one more subsection after campaign. Lead. Next, one more subsection under FT. Account. One more. Contact. One more. Potential. Yes. So this is how we'll be creating all those things. Yes. Now I'll show you that particular this thing also. Yes. Can you observe here? Can you observe how the folder structure is? So under FT, I've created campaign, lead, account, contact, and potential. So in the same similar manner, can you create for other modules also under FT? Can you create for other modules under FT? Yes. Yes. Start. Please start. So here what happened? Click on add subsection under functionality testing. Enter all the modules. Enter all the modules. Yes. Okay. Yes, Ramkala. Deepraj, no, I think no, I have not sent anything in Q Talk yesterday. If it is not showing everything, just refresh the page, you'll get everything then. Just refresh the page, you'll get everything. Yes. So sometimes what happened because of server issues, you won't get everything. So just refresh it, then you can see everything. Okay. So we have to go for smoke testing. Yes, create the same thing for integration testing also and system testing also. Create the same thing for integration testing and system testing also. Okay. So do the same thing for what is this creating these things also. Please do that. Please start as soon as possible. Yes, obviously for integration testing also you have to doing you are doing the same now. Automatically it will save. Automatically it will save, Surabhi. So we have to do same things for yes, yes, correct. You have to do the same thing for other things also. Gaurav, it will save automatically. It will be saved automatically. Don't worry. So for smoke testing, should we add the same modules? Yes. Don't go for all the modules. Why? Because obviously you know how to write the test cases and all. So this is practice what you are doing. So under FIT also just do the same thing, which is campaign, lead, account, contact. potential. Okay. So now what you will do after creating, just refresh. Just no issues. Just click on reload. Nothing will happen. So yes. Now can you see here? No issues. Click on reload, Gaurav. Yes. So this is how the folder structure will be created. Kavishri, why you have joined now? Kavishri, you have joined just now. Then you are asking now what you are doing till now. See, click on test cases. Click on test cases. Click on test cases major tab. You will get add section button over there. Click on add section button. Give FT. Create it. Give FT and create it. Just do it for system testing also. Do it for system testing also. Sh- sh- Shivani, it will not happen. Please check it once again. Check your internet connection, Shivani. Shubham, no problem. Shubham, no problem with that. No issues. See, always select it as all groups and test. And remember, sometimes some filters may be applied here. So at that time, what will happen? Nothing will be displayed here. Okay. So in that cases, you need to remove the sorts also, filters. Then everything will be displayed. Please check it. Everyone have done with. Don't create for smoke and a dog. Leave, no issues. Abhishek, refresh it. Everyone has done at least for FT. Everyone has done at least for FT. Sorry, IT. Everyone has done it for IT. Integration testing, yes. Everyone have done for integration testing. Please do it for integration testing. Starting will write integration test cases. Shioni, after reloading, what is this? Create it again after reloading. Create it once again. Everyone, please complete for integration testing. Please complete it for integration testing. Done, everyone? Yes, yes, Ritika. Yes, Ritika. Yes, Nikita. Okay, super. So now, if you open this, if you go to this particular integration testings, so now under campaign, so tell me what are the integration test cases we have? What are the integration test cases we have? So we have for creating campaign, we have an integration test case, correct? For creating campaign, we have integration test case. For editing, we have. For delete, clone, we have. Yes. Now just go to integration testing. Don't do anything in functionality. Functionality will write later. Integration testing. So click on add case. Can you see add case over here, everyone? Everyone, I want reply from everyone. Yes. Can you see add case over here? Yes. So click on add case. Click on add case. Now, do you remember the format of writing a test case name? In manual testing classes, your trainer would have taught you, correct? Project name underscore module name underscore type. Remember? Yes. So my project name is Joho CRM. You have to write your own project names underscore module name campaign underscore what is operation we are doing? Create campaign. Create campaign underscore IT. Yes, created. Understood? Next. Doho CRM underscore campaign underscore edit campaign underscore IT02. IT, sorry, IT. That's it. Anyway, test case ID will be generated now. So copy. Yes. Now IT is created. Next we have what? Clone. Next we have clone. Correct? Clone. Next we have after clone. After clone, what else you have? Delete, restore. Yes. Understood, everyone? So this is how we will be creating the cases. So what we have done here is now, so we have given a place for writing the test cases. Till now, have you written any test case? Till now, have you written any test cases? No, you have not written any test cases. Till now, we are just creating a place for writing test case. Understood? So till now, what you are doing, we are just creating a space for writing a test case. Yes. Everyone create it. Everyone create. Everyone add a test cases. Everyone add test cases. Everyone. So in the same similar manner, they add for lead account contact. Start. Yeah, add case. Click on add case. Joho CRM is my project name. You have to give your own project names. No, Surabhi, change the name. I have already told you. Don't keep Joho CRM. That is my project name. You have to give your own project names. No, Jyoti. So, Suraj, just check any short is applied or what. Any sorting or else filter is applied. Just check. Suraj Onigogi. Subhashini, you are clicking on test runs and results. I don't want you to click on that. I want you to click on test cases. Check. Yes, Suraj, it's fine. Yes, so you have to plus on add case. Pavitra, just click on add case. Ranjani, go for modules. Not only campaign, go for all modules. You will get practice. Yes, yes, do it for lead also. Subhashini, you are using my credentials. Subhashini, are you using my credentials? Pavitra, remove the filter. Remove the filter, Pavitra. You might have applied some filters. Guys, see, observe everyone clearly. Again, I'm mentioning it. So here, it should be all. The drop down which you are selecting, it should be all and tests. And here, There is no filter should be applied or sort should be applied. Just check. If anything is applied, you can't see all the test case folders. You cannot see all the test folders. Please check it. Don't add for functional. Don't add for functional. Functional is, I'll tell you later what to do. Functional is somewhat different compared to all those things. Remove it, Surijo, Niyogi, remove it. Yes, Subhashini. So I have to create one more. Yeah, Priya, do that. Priya, do that. Jyoti, where is scenario here? Jyoti, create for integration. Functionality, I'll tell you later what to do in the next classes. Yeah, Ramakala. Remove the title only, Raja. Yes, Jyoti. Supriya, go for all, go for all. No, no, no. By default, like it's unfortunately I've written one scenario in capital and remaining in small letters. It's not like that. Komal, project name underscore module name underscore type. Yes, yes, no issues. You can go with this. There is no rule that everything should be in order. Yes, yes, just changing the name. That's it, Kaushal. So for lead, what you will do? So lead, what you will do? You will click on add case. Under add case, Joho CRM underscore lead underscore create lead underscore IT. Simple. Okay. Hello. Yes, Sunil. Yes, Rajani. Yes, you have to do that. Neeraj, what you are unable to write? Click on add case. Add case. In lead module, you will get 7. Convert lead as well as find and merge lead is also there, no? Yes, contact potential. All the 11 modules, what you have learned, what you have worked on, you have to add all the modules. Yes, Harshad, we can do that. You can do. But the same name will be should be followed everywhere. No, Sunil, there is no rule that you have to follow the sequence. But everything should be divided. How we have divided. If everything is divided, then it is fine. Bhavana, that I'll tell later. Don't worry. Yes, Sunil, no issues. Don't worry. After campaign, lead. Surajo, lead. See, lookup icons don't do right now. Lookup icons, I'll tell you later. What to do with the lookup icons. Yes. Everyone have done with at least one module? Everyone has done with at least one module, yes? Yes, super, fantastic. Okay. So everyone observe the screen once. Now, so this is a campaign, sorry, this is a test case what we have created, correct? The test case what we have created. Yes. So now click on this test case. You will be redirected to this page. So everyone come to this page. Just click on the test case name. You will be redirected to that page. Yes. Everyone got that page. Everyone. If anyone didn't get, let me know. I'll just do it once again. See. So we have created a test case name for campaign, correct? Under campaign, we have created cases. Just click on the test case name. You will be directed to this page. Yes, Surajo, did you get? Yes, click OK. No issues. Badriga, Bandari, sorry. Just click on leave. No issues. Okay. So now, can you see edit button over here on your right hand top navigation? Right hand top navigation. Can you see edit button over here? Yes. Yes. Click on that edit button. Click on that edit button. So this is the page what where we are going to write the test case. This is a page where we are going to write the test case. Understood, everyone? So this is where we are going to write the test case. Everyone observe carefully. I'll write one test case. Everyone observe carefully. Now, so if you observe here, title and section is automatically selected. So please don't make any changes in that. Okay. Please don't make any changes in that. If you observe, the title and the section has been automatically selected. Please don't make any changes in that. Clear? Yes. And the template, remember everyone, template always select test case steps. Always select what? Test case steps. Why? Because we have learned writing the test cases as steps only, correct? Or else you have learned in writing paragraphs. You have learned writing the test case in paragraphs as steps. Steps, correct? So now please remember template always select what? Test case steps. Test case steps and the type of test case you are writing, whether you are writing integration, system, smoke, functionality, whatever it is, you need to select. So here acceptance, accessibility, automated, compatibility, destructive, functional, performance, regression, security, smoke and UX, usability, usability are there. Now what type of testing we are writing? Integration is there here? No, it is not there. So now what I have to select? Others. I can go for others. Okay. Yes. Next, priority. So what is a priority? What is a priority? Critical, high, medium and low. So creating campaign is what priority? How important feature is it? How important feature it is? Very important feature, correct? Yes, critical. I'll select it as critical. Okay, so you guys know why we are giving priority for the test case? Why we are giving priority for a test case? Yes, for the process of execution. So we will be executing the test case which has high priority first. Okay, we'll be executing a test case which has high priority first. Yes. Reshma, it depends upon me. It is my wish. If you want to give, you can give. See, giving priorities and is always depends upon testing the mindset. Yes. So now I'll go here and estimate leave right now. Leave estimate I'll tell later. And what do you mean by references? What do you mean by references? I think I have already discussed this. What do you mean by references? Requirement number. Yes. References is nothing but requirement number. I'll give the requirement number. Next, are you writing any automation test script? Are you writing automation script? No, just leave it as none. Next, preconditions, what I need to enter, whether the internet connection is required or not. Internet connection, yes or no. Internet connection is required or not. Next, software installation. Software installation. Do I need any software installation? Yes or no? We need to give these details, okay? So you have your own details. I'm giving you an options. Test data. So whatever the test data is required, whether I required any test data or not. Yes or no. Next, browser settings. Browser settings. Do I need to make any browser settings or not? We have to mention yes or no. Yes sir. No. Next after browser settings, we need to mention roles and permissions. Do you know what is roles and permissions, guys? Roles and permissions. You will be giving what is this? What is this? Location access. You will be giving camera access. You will be giving microphone access. Yes or no? Contact access for your applications. Those are called as roles and permissions. Okay. Those things are called as what? Roles and permissions. Okay. Yes, Sriram, Shravani. Yes. References requirement number. References is nothing but requirement number. References is nothing but requirement number. Yes. So everyone clear till now? Next, can you see add first step here? Can you see add first step here? Jyoti, it is on screen. You have to give all the details. You have to give whether we have preconditions. We need to give whether internet connection is required or not. Whether do I need to install any softwares or not, or else do I need to what is this? Do I need any test data before execution, or else do I need to give any browser settings? All those things we need to give. Yes, Pavitra. Okay, so we need to give all the things and then we need to click on add first step. Can you see add first step here? Click on add first step. So what is the first step? Open browser and enter URL. Open browser and enter URL. So what is the URL you are using? Input. What is the URL you are using? Input. URL www dot https or sorry, https forward slash localhost or crm score 8080 slash homepage dot do homepage dot do. So this is a URL and what is expected result when you open CRM? What is the first page you are getting? login page. Login page should be displayed. Login page should be displayed. After writing this, click on add step. Add step. One more step will be generated. Add step. Okay. So now next, what is the next step I have to give? Enter username and password. Enter username and password and click on login button. Click on login button. Yes. So when I click on login button, what is the input I have to give? I have to give username Rashmi at the rate Dell.com. Rashmi at the rate Dell.com, and the password will be 123 4 5 6. Yes. Am I writing the test case correct? Am I writing test case correct? Yes. Yes. Next, what will be displayed? Will be displayed. Home page will be displayed. Yes. Add step. Next, what is the third step? Home page is displaying. Click on, click on campaign major tab. Click on campaign major tab, and the input will be not applicable. Why? Because I'm just doing an action by clicking. Correct? Yes. Campaign list page should be displayed. Campaign list page should be displayed. Yes. Campaign list page is displaying. Next, click on new campaign button. Click on new campaign button. So when I click on new campaign button, what is the input? Not applicable. Yes. Expect a result. Create campaign page should be displayed. Create campaign page should be displayed. Yes. Create campaign page is displaying. Next, enter all the details. Enter all the details and click on save. Enter all the details and click on save. So I have to enter all the details and I have to click on save. Yes. So what is the input I need to give here? So input, what are the details I'm entering? I'm entering campaign name. So campaign name I'm entering correct? Yes. Campaign name, what is the campaign name? HP laptop 3040 demo or else expo. Yes. Next, campaign type. Campaign type. Yo. Campaign type. What is the campaign type? Others. This you can get it from CRM. You have to work on CRM again. Next, campaign status. So campaign status, what is the status? Planning. Next, start date. Start date 28/09/2023. End date. End date 03/10/2023. Next, budgeted cost 50,000. So this is how you have to give the all the details, whatever components we have, you need to give all the components. Understood? Yes, while writing, you need to refer the notes which I have shared, or else the software which you are working on. Understood? Yes. Yes, yes, date format is different. I have written at a different date format. You have to follow the format. Yes. So when you click on say, what will happen? Campaign details page should be displayed. Campaign details page should be displayed. And next, click on campaign major tab. And the input will be not applicable. The expected result is newly created campaign should be displayed in campaign list page and recent items list. Okay, recent items list. So now I've written a test case, correct? After writing the test case, click on save test case. Your test case will be saved. Okay, yes, can you write the test case now? Yes, last one more step is there, log out. I forgot. You have to do log out also. So can you write a test case now? Yes. Yes, start writing a test case. Yes, first write the same test case what I have written. First, just write the test case what I have written, then you can write it on your own next test cases. Okay, then you can write it on your own. First, write the test case what I have written. Remaining, then you can write it on your own. Please do that. Yes, the data flow will be expected result. Yes, Harsha, the one side you have to write the test case action as well as. Yes, Manoranjan, you can edit. You can edit Manoranjan. Test data means URL and all what we have given in this thing, no? Test data. Test data is the data which is required for testing. Login page should be displayed, Rajiv. When I click on logout, login page should be displayed. Yes, Kazid, correct. Browser settings, when you are doing compatibility testing, you will change, no? You have seen in compatibility testing, enable, disable JavaScript, all those things. Yes, start writing the test case. If you have written, let me know, I'll scroll it up. Yes, Reshma Sultana, it depends upon your type of testing you can give. Test engineer, Aparna Kumar, you have to fill the details. You have to give the data. Yes, anywhere steps will be same, no? If you want to make your own steps, you can make. Gaurav, that's up to you. No issues. Yes, yes, Priyanka. How many test cases you may start? How many test cases you may start? You need to start with login only. Open browser, enter URL. Last step will be logout. That is for sure. Akshita, just change the test case steps. Template you have not changed. Guys, you need to change the template from test case text to test case steps. Test case steps. Then only you'll get. Change it in template, Akshata. In header, you have template, no? Template drop down. Change there. Yes, Abhishek, you can do that. Srivatsu. Abhishek Srivatsu, we can do that. See, Thulika Mandari, you need to check with the what is this uh, CRM software. So you have to go with the CRM software. There you will be getting all those things. What are the details you need to provide? There you have chat box, you know what is this text fields and all. So those things you can just get it. Okay. Yes. Yes. Shraddha. No, don't write in Excel. You can just continue here. No issues. For fifth step, what is the input? What is the fifth step here? I have given no fifth step input, the campaign name, all those things are input only. All those things are input only. Because this is the last step. Sixth step is the last step. Yes, preconditions are the set of conditions which has to be satisfied before starting a test case. Okay, so that means what? Before execution of any test case, we should satisfy some conditions. Those conditions are called as precondition. So without internet connection, can you execute a test case? Not possible. One. Next, without installing the software, can you do it? That depends upon type of software. If it is a client server, I need to install. Okay, so these are the types of preconditions. Yes, Ramakala, correct. Komal, change the template to steps. Change the template to steps. Change the template to steps. Okay. Yes, Surajo. Yes, Fraker. Yes, Manoranjan. You need to give actual cost, expected revenue, all those things also. Supriya, what is accepted by the software? You have to write. Yes, Sunil. Add logout also. So for editing, you need to provide with the details what you are making the changes. That's it. So for editing, don't give all the details. In this, what you are changing, that is enough. Kaushal, logout. Yes, preconditions are mandatory. Preconditions are 100% mandatory. Kaushal, you can save the test case. Yes, Harsh Yadav. Vishnu, not required. Not required, Vishnu. Yes, login page should be displayed with us. Correct. Surabhi, select your project. There, right hand navigation, you will find edit button. No, Pavitra, login page should be displayed. Pavitra, login page should be displayed. Estimate, I'll tell later. Right now, leave estimate. Harsh Yadav. Jyoti, roles and permissions means for applications, you will be giving these things, no? For applications, you will be giving the permissions, contact access, camera access, location access, correct? Those things are roles and permissions, Jyoti. Komal, yes, Komal. So once it is done, write the test case for editing, cloning, deleting. So I hope you guys can write it correct. We have written test case scenarios also. Do that. Expected result for logout will be login page should be displayed. Login page should be displayed. Click on save test case button. Click on save test case. Yes, Harsh Yadav. Again, there you have edit button. No, just click on edit button. If you want to make any changes in the save test case, click on the edit button. Okay, Surabhi, very good. Yes, Reshma. Yes, Komal, it will show. Yes, Harsh Yadav, it is not required. Yes, same the format how you are writing, you have to write for other test cases. Edit, clone, restore, and for other modules also. Lead, potential. Okay. And just you can continue with this. Manoranjan, that is what I've written, no? So you can follow the same thing later, maybe tomorrow, day after tomorrow, I'll share you one sheet, Google Sheet. In that, I have written test case of one functional test case, one integration test case, one system test case I have written. Okay. Yes, sir. Input details. We need to enter all the details. What you have given. Yes, you have to enter all the details. Yes, Divya, you can do that. Open browser, enter URL, Ritika. Yes, Surabhi, you have to. Yes, Kavyashri, only 6 steps we have. Actual result you will give while executing, no, Jyoti. So that we will give while executing. Yes, so Vishnu, you can. That is what it will be repeated. No, open browser, enter URL. For any application, any testing, open browser, enter URL. Click on campaign manager tab. That will be same. Those steps. Lookup icons, I'll tell you later. Leave about lookup icons right now. Surabhi, I'm replying to you. I don't know whether I'm audible to you or not. You have to write the other test cases with one more test case. So for every test case, we have to create a campaign itself. No need to write from opening. Sorry. No, 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 no. Anita, you need to start with again. You need to start with what? Open browser, enter URL. See whether it is edit or delete or whatever it is. You need to start with open browser, enter URL. Yes, Jyoti, it is same. Jyoti, it is same. Guys, I'm audible. Okay, 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 okay. Yes, Surabhi, you have to add. Yes, Manoranjan. Sunil. Sunil, are you creating new this thing? Are you creating new test case? Yes, for every time you need to start with navigational steps. Abhilasha, take right next to remaining test cases. Edit, delete, clone, restore. Yes, precondition is same for everything. Sir, after edit the campaign, do we need to add preconditions? Yes, yes, yes. Aparna Kumar, preconditions we need to add. Okay, Sunil, no issues. So after writing the test case, is there any steps to go on? See, once you have written a test case, click on save Sachin and they can go back and start writing the second test case. That's it. one fellow will ask for scroll up, one fellow will come. How can I do both? Yes, class will be there tomorrow. What happened tomorrow? Tomorrow Friday, no? Yes, yes, Reshma, you can make the changes. Karnataka bando, online bandilla. I think our Wi-Fi will work. Yes, Karnataka band is there tomorrow, but networks will work, no? They won't stop networks. Yes, tomorrow we'll take class, don't worry. So you guys got to know how to write a test case now? Yes, how to write a test case. So please continue with the test cases. Tomorrow I'll write one more test case. Okay. Yes, Reshma, you have to give the details. Done? Yes. So please continue the test cases. Don't stop working. Please, guys, please try to spend more time on this application. Okay. Yes. So that's all for the day. We'll meet tomorrow. Until then, Tata. Bye bye. So complete how much you can. So write the test cases, how many you can. Later, we'll see tomorrow. Okay. Yes. That's all for the day. We'll meet tomorrow. Until then, Tata. Bye bye. Have a good day.